Bullish Smooth Love Elixir cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Smooth Love Mixture market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth Love Elixir presentation. With regards to play to procure games, Axie vastness captures everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Limitlessness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients. Axie Boundlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its environment, Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Boundlessness shards. Essentially, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axe is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities, and depository subsidizes spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie vastness biological system. What's more, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Limitlessness? Axie vastness support the play-to-acquire interactivity model wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie vastness from the vast majority of the present customary close-circled games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the boundary dissection was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axies yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole moved the grant and society programs. Through an Axie grant, the chief or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player will use to play the game and procure SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure an Axie vastness permit their patrons to receive a portion of the benefit. Smooth Love Elixir current cost. Smooth Love Elixir is at present worth $0. SLP has moved 0.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $20,369,241. Smooth Love Elixir is at present positioned 180 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $136,622,892 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Elixir to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Smooth Love Mixture market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2023 Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The SLP cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and SLP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of $0 2025. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2026 assuming Smooth Love Elixir effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees. The SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Smooth Love Mixture will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 3 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 3 cents. What is the Smooth Love Elixir cost today? Today, Smooth Love Elixir is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $136,622,892. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Elixir ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that SLP is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Smooth Cherish Elixir go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Mixture might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Smooth Love Elixir might outperform 2 cents. What amount will Smooth Cherish Mixture be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prevalence of cryptographic money and Smooth Love Elixir, a drawn-out interest in SLP could see the value ascend to 2 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Smooth Adore Mixture be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Smooth Love Elixir today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of SLP might actually ascend to 4 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Smooth Love Elixir cost be in 2024? Smooth Love Elixir cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Smooth Love Elixir cost be in 2025? Smooth Love Elixir cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2025.